Hey everyone, it's Jerry Metalman Battaglia, and I'm out over here in Long Island, New York. My uncle Vito has an awesome car dealership. He constantly buys classic cars all over the United States. His favorite thing though is Volkswagen Beetles and classic Ford and Chevy pickup trucks. So guys, we're going to show you this awesome GMC he just got. And Uncle Vito, you ready to do an explanation?
Sure.
Yeah.
It's a 63. Came out of Long Beach, California. It's got the original big block 6-cylinder from the factory. Runs like a top. The bottom is like the top. It's not all rotted to death. Inside the rockers, it's just, this is not New York. It's just insane. There's wood still in the bed. I drove it to the deli. Everything works. Signals right down to the horn. It's crazy. Where they're all usually rusted to death, it doesn't have it. It's blistering here and there, but not like New York. If you look up here, the last couple I've gotten, these are so rare. I've never gotten a short bed in this model. Usually it's all rotted here. There's nothing, no rot. There. Still got the California plates on it. Look at this. Nobody touched anything. The original crayon marks are still there from the factory. I just wish they would have left it the original blue, that baby blue. Somewhere along the line somebody painted it. It's already got, you know, like the original air cleaner. It's just crazy. You look at it, it's like going back in time. Both sides like that. The floors are perfect. Just look at that. Look at that floor. You got a 2006 Hemi Dodge. It's got no quarter panels. Look at this thing. It's insane. It really is cool.
Even has the original radio.
Yeah, find one of them. And it, I mean, total drive. You could get in and drive it. I took it to the deli and stuff. It starts right up. This one is really a find. Original tailgate, which is a big deal too. Most people have a Chevy tailgate because they can't find it.
The original wood in here too.
Look at it. This is just crazy. Nice truck.
You want to start it up, Uncle Vito?
Yeah.
Horn works.
Pull the choke, pump the gas a few times. Minutes, you push the choke in and look at it. It's insane. Nobody even did exhaust manifolds are original.
How many miles are on, Uncle Vito?
Said 26, so a buck 26 I would guess.
Runs super smooth.
It really does.
Why'd you put that clutch in?
You put the choke in.
Choking, excuse me, I said clutch. Uncle Vito, really quick, one question. Is the truck for sale?
Yeah, I want 10.5 for it. It's a little negotiable, not a lot, only because it's a short bed and it's 63.
With that rear V6 there too,
Yeah,
right?
that's totally original. That's actually a GMC took a 409 back in the day and cut the last 2 cylinders off and made a big block 6-cylinder. This is the motor they put in all the big giant steak trucks. You know, most of these come with that straight 6-cylinder.
It's a 3-speed on the column too, right?
It's a 4-speed on the floor.
So with the overdrive.
Yeah.
So that's even.
I call it a 3-speed because it's got that granny gear.
And so guys, you have a 4-speed and you have a rear V6, big block V6 in this truck, and a short bed.
Cool.
And the price is asking 10.5, and he is negotiable. We have more trucks here as well that are for sale. You can reach Uncle Vito. What's your phone number, Uncle Vito?
569-2062, and that's a 631.
So 631-569-2062.
2062.
Reach Uncle Vito, and he has these trucks for sale. The GMC. There's a Ford F-250 here.
This one came from the original owner, this F-250.
One owner car,
This
guys.
is from Tacoma, Washington, and 9 miles away. I bought this one. This is a 66. That's a 65. This is an F100. This one runs perfect. You just touch the key. It's original down to the seat. It's just insane. This owner was since 1978. Yeah, that lock. Oh, good. When you look at the lockers and stuff, that's got the original mat. That seat's not even ripped.
Guys, these trucks are solid. He buys amazing cars from all over the United States from Uncle Vito.
This one's 9,500, and this one's 8,500.
So this F100 is 9,500. This is a V8.
V8 automatic, this one.
And this one's 8,500?
Also not rotted.
That's 95.
If you take a look at the bottom of it and you look inside the rockets and it's just insane. Look at this. You're not doing all of this. You're not doing cab corners. You're not doing...
Guys, if you guys want a truck,
It's crazy.
you got to call Uncle Vito again. 631
569
569
2062.
2062. He also has a Beetle in here for sale.
Yeah, this was Bakersfield, California. This thing's spectacular. It really is.
California plate still on it.
It's just, it's crazy. You look in here, and it's crazy. I have the radio. It was under the hood there. The lady passed away. I got it from the estate. It runs perfect too.
You selling that Ford too? The pickup?
That one's mine. I've had that for years. And that came from Tom Shoes, the guy who owns Tom Shoes. His name is Blake McCoskey. He's worth like $200 million. That was his truck. I bought it from him. Beetle.
Alright guys, so with Uncle Vito, Jerry Middleman Battaglia here. Just showed you some awesome trucks. And again, to reach Uncle Vito, it's 631
569
569
2062.
2062. Call him up direct. He'll give you all the information about these cars. He does provide shipping all over the United States. If you need a shipper, he has a great shipper. And just please like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel, Jerry Middleman Battaglia, and my Uncle Vito.
Thank you.
Have a great day.